What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. So I know, if you own a Cybertruck, trying to find the perfect products to keep your nice, shiny stainless steel clean is very, very difficult. And I have a product that supposedly works. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm talking about. So here we have a product. This is called CT Clean. Cybertruck Clean, obviously, stainless steel cleaner designed for Cybertruck. It is safe for stainless steel, cleans and shines and protects, removes grease, grimes, and stains, fingerprints, I presume, and is a natural finish formula. So without further ado, let's take a look at the directions, but let's go ahead and remove the plastic from this bad boy. So this is about 16 ounces, and Cybertruck obviously right there. So nothing with health, slightly health concern. The ingredients is citric acid, oxalic acid, alcohol, ethoxylate, and some other shit that I can't pronounce. But let's take a look at the directions here. That is not the directions. This is where I was trying to look right here. So use CT Clean on your stainless steel exterior on your Cybertruck before use. Wash and dry the Cybertruck using a conventional car wash solution to remove excessive dirt. So basically, it's telling you that before you even use this product, you're supposed to wash and clean your Cybertruck. So this is not like a washless wash or anything like that. You do have to pre-wash it before you use this. Shake well, spray CT Clean onto a microfiber towel to avoid any overspray. Using the towel, apply to stainless steel surface and leave on for approximately 1 minute. So you basically you spray it on the towel, and you wipe it on your stainless steel surface, and you leave it for about a minute. After waiting about a minute, you spray glass cleaner directly onto the stainless steel surface and use a separate clean microfiber towel to rinse and wipe dry. So once you waited the allotment time, which is 1 minute, you get some glass cleaner, spray it directly onto the panel, wipe it off with a clean towel, and repeat the sections of panel to achieve consistent finish across your Cybertruck. So basically, you're going to take a panel at a time. You're going to spray it on your towel, wipe it on there, wait about a minute, take some glass cleaner, spray it on your truck, wipe it down, and apparently you're left with a nice, shiny stainless steel look. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this, but I do have to wash the truck before you even try this method. So don't forget, this is not just gonna clean your truck. You're supposed to give it a nice pre-wash before even using this CT Clean. Once you have it clean, this is like more of a detailer, I think is what they're saying. So it's to keep your truck looking nice and clean throughout the week. And then when it gets excessively dirty, then you give it a car wash, and then you start the process all over again. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take this outside and see how good this CT cleaner works. So we're going to spray the microfiber. And it says shake very well before using it. And then we're going to go ahead and apply it to this whole panel down here. You can kind of see it kind of drying out there, so you're going to wait about a minute so you can kind of see it. I don't know if you can see it hazing on the stainless steel, so we're going to give it about 30 more seconds, and then we're going to spray the glass cleaner directly onto the stainless steel and wipe it off with a nice clean paper towel. Okay. man, I think this thing does work. Finish it off with this. Oh, it leaves a nice, smooth surface for sure. Looks absolutely good. I think it actually does work. I don't know if you can compare it to the other door right there, but this thing looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and see how it looks, and then I'll give you a shot on how the truck looks completely done. All right, so we just got done with the CT clean right here. Now, honestly, it's almost, if you've seen the detailing video from Out of Spec with the Barkeeper's Friend version, the way you apply that to the stainless steel, and then you come with a glass cleaner behind it and wipe it off. It's the same method, just not as this doesn't cut as deep as the Barkeeper's Friend. Let me show you real quick how the truck looks. As you can see, turned out pretty well. Looks pretty good. You do have to wash it before you do utilize this. I think this is a good way to maintenance your vehicle after you do the Barkeeper's Friend. And every other couple weeks, if you don't want to use that much arm muscle trying to do the Barkeeper's Friends over and over and over, you just hit it with this CT clean, and then just put it on there, wipe it off with glass cleaner. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the way it came out. It does take a while for it to do, so this is not super fast, but overall you do get a nice finish. Looks pretty good. I kind of like it. So there you have it. And as you can see, let me show you the rag real quick. As you can see, this is the rag after you kind of spray the CT clean on here, kind of wipe it on, kind of give it a nice scrub. It starts taking off the grime and everything. So there you have it, guys. Link will be in the description of the video. Like I said, it's good to have after you do the Barkeeper's Friend, if you want to just keep up with the maintenance and not take so long to keep doing the Barkeeper Friend over and over and over. This is definitely going to work where you kind of spray it off. It's a lot faster than Barkeeper Friend, but it's not super fast, if you know what I mean. If you have any questions regarding this, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.